Today, Peppa and her friends are playing games at playgroup.
A pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down.
The bump has made Gerald Giraffe's marble roll into Candy Cat and Danny Dog's dominoes. And Zoe Zebra's blocks have landed on a xylophone. Everything has tumbled down.
That was amazing! Let's do it again! But let's make it even bigger!
Peppa and her friends are making the tumble-down track even bigger.
Let's make it taller.
Yeah!
Let's make it faster.
And longer!
Yeah!
And noisier! Even longer! And also more banania! Hooray!
Yeah!
The tumble-down track is finished. So now, it's time to make everything tumble down again.
Ready, steady, go! Oh no! Phew! Oh!
The tumble-down track didn't tumble down very well at all.
It just made a mess.
And not a fun one.
It's okay. We just need to fix it and make it a little smaller. Yay! Yay!
Peppa and her friends have put everything back in place, but with a few important changes. So now they're ready to try the tumble-down track again.
Ready, steady.
Ready to go, Peppa?
The marble has rolled down the run and into the dominoes. And the dominoes have knocked the bouncy balls onto the instruments.
Look at that!
And pushed the toy car into the books. Which has given Daddy Pig a delicious snack.
Oh, thanks very much. Mmm.
Peppa and her friends love making things tumble down, and Daddy Pig loves bananas.
Mmm.
Dinosaur!
Today, Mummy Pig has brought Peppa and George for a special visit to the toy shop.
Hello, I'm looking for a mummy and two little ones for a special toy shop treat. Have you seen them?
That's us!
Is it? Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Hooray! Oh!
This is where you're able to create your very own special toy.
Ooh!
Just swipe through to choose. You could pick a robot or a princess or a silly monster or a...
Dinosaur!
I didn't know you liked dinosaurs.
Dinosaur! 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 George loves dinosaurs. They're his favourite.
I guess we know what he'll be making. Have fun!
Yay!
Ooh, good choice. Lovely.
A spaceman! A monster! A superhero!
Peppa and George love making their own toys. They both like very different things.
Mine is a robot. Dinosaur! Rawr!
Fantastic! Now with a little toy shop magic, the machine will make your toys.
Lovely. Now you just need to pick an outfit for your toys.
There are lots of different outfits to choose from, but Peppa and George think these outfits are perfect for their new toys.
Hooray!
Perfect! In they go!
Oh dear, the toy machine has put the wrong clothes on the toys.
The machine mixed up their clothes, Miss Rabbit.
Oh, yes. Oh, well, they still look like fun toys to me.
And very creative.
Flying is fun. Whee!
Wait for us, Peppa.
Whee! Wow! What is this room?
This is a special new toy machine.
Whoa.
Just stand here in the middle, Peppa.
What is it doing?
Stay still.
What was that?
Ta-da!
The machine has made a little toy that looks just like Peppa.
Look, George, I'm tiny. And so are you.
Peppa and George love making toys in the toy shop, but George really loves being a toy too.
Woohoo! The treasure train is on its way. Choo-choo! Yay!
Peppa Pig and Danny Dog are driving a train full of gold, silver and...
Broccoli!
Is broccoli treasure?
Yes, it's special broccoli made of sparkly diamonds.
Peppa and Danny aren't really driving a train. They're using their imagination to pretend.
Hooray!
Stop! In the name of... robbers!
Oh no! Pedro Pony and Susie Sheep are pretending to be train robbers.
Can we have all your treasure, please?
No.
Oh, okay. You're supposed to steal the treasure, Susie. Oh. We have stolen all the treasure!
Hooray! What do we do now?
You escape.
Oh, yes. Yeehaw!
Whoa! Come back, you naughty robbers.
Now Peppa and Danny are pretending to be police officers. They're going to catch the robbers.
You caught us. No, we didn't. Because, your boat can fly.
Madame Gazelle, can ships fly? Real ships cannot fly.
Oh.
But pretend ships certainly can.
Hooray!
Wow!
Now Pedro and Susie are in a flying boat.
Oh, our train can fly too.
Whee! Uh-oh. Hey!
Police officers Peppa and Danny have almost caught the robbers.
Home time!
Oh.
Is it a giant?
No, it's a daddy pig. And he's coming to take you home. Charge!
What are you doing, Peppa?
We're pretending to fly our boats and trains, Daddy.
Oh my, what an imaginative bunch you all are. Oh, aha!
Peppa loves imagining things. Everyone loves imagining things. Today, Peppa and Mummy Pig are riding the bumper cars at Potato City.
Can't catch me, Rebecca.
Oh, yes, I can.
Come on, Peppa. We found a new ride. It's a water ride.
It's so splashy.
I love splashy rides.
Splashy?
Mummy Pig isn't sure she loves splashy rides.
Why don't we go on a ride without splashes? Like, this bench. Ooh, what fun! Whee!
We can go on that after. Come on, Mummy.
Everyone has arrived at the new water ride. Celery Stick Falls.
Uh-oh! Stop!
Oh, it is very splashy.
Very, very splashy.
Adults in the front, please. That means you, Mummy Pig, right here.
Oh, right. Okay.
Enjoy the ride.
Oh, this is quite lovely.
The ride is going very high up.
Splish, splosh, splash. We all love to splash.
Not everyone loves to splash.
Yoo-hoo! Would you like a small splash, a big splash, or a humongous splash?
A humongous splash, please.
Okie dokie. Ready?
Yes!
No.
5 against 1. Off you go!
The celery stick falls are very fast and very splashy. There we are, nice and dry. Oh, not again!
Yay! That was amazing!
And very, very splashy!
Mummy, what are you doing?
The splashes were amazing! Let's go again!
Now Mummy Pig loves humongous splashes. Everyone loves humongous splashes.
Hi.
Today, Peppa is going to Rebecca Rabbit's burrow.
Bye, Mummy!
Today, Peppa is already at Rebecca Rabbit's burrow. She's come to play a new video game called
Carrot Catcher. Do you want to play?
Yes, please. I'm amazingly, really excellent at games.
Oh dear, Peppa doesn't know how to begin the game.
I am amazingly, really excellent at games, but maybe it would be more fun if you started the game, Rebecca. Oh, yes, I knew that.
First, you pick your bunny. Then you hop around and catch the carrots.
Oh, yes.
Peppa is amazingly really excellent at video games, but she might need a bit of help with this one.
How do you catch the carrots, please, Rebecca?
Like this.
Yay! I'm good at this. Oh.
My turn.
Wow!
Rebecca Rabbit is amazingly really excellent at this game.
Wow! You're really good at catching carrots, Rebecca.
I've had lots of practice. Do you want to play together now? We can be a team.
Yes! Woohoo! Got it!
Yay!
Here's one.
There's one.
Whee!
Carrots.
New high score!
Hooray!
Peppa and Rebecca make a very good team.
Rosie, Robbie, what are you doing? Hello, you two. Have you seen the twins? They've run off with our lunch.
We'll catch them.
We're good at catching carrots.
And baby bunnies.
Found one. Rosie. Gotcha.
Here's another one. Robbie, got it. Still good.
Peppa and Rebecca are very good carrot catchers.
Yay!
Hooray! Lunch is saved.
For you.
In fact, Peppa and Rebecca are amazingly really excellent carrot catchers. Today, Peppa is playing with her toy blocks.
Careful, George. This is a very small town and you're a very giant dinosaur.
That gives me an idea. Do you want to play giants, George?
George is very excited to play giants with Peppa.
Hello, Police Officer Panda.
What a lovely, quiet, normal day in Toyland. And definitely no sign of...
Hello, I am Giant Peppa.
A giant!
2 giants.
Peppa and George are imagining they're giants in a pretend toy block world.
Hello, birds. Hello, clouds. Hello, everyone.
Our ball is stuck in that very tall tree.
We can help you with that. We are very tall giants.
Whoopsie.
Oh, careful, George.
There you go, Susie.
Hooray!
Giant Peppa and Giant George love to help their friends in Toyland. They help the passengers to get on the bus.
Oh, whee!
And help the boats go very, very fast.
Stop!
It's the bridge you broke earlier.
Oh.
Don't worry. We can fix it.
Peppa and George are experts with toy blocks. They fix the toy bridge in no time at all.
Thanks, Giant Peppa and Giant George. Stop! I mean, go!
Hooray! Woo-hoo! Oh, goody! Hoo-hoo!
Hungry.
I'm hungry too.
The food in Toyland is too small for Giant Peppa and Giant George.
Whoa!
Dinner time.
Hooray!
So they will have to have real food instead.
Careful, George.
Hooray!
Oh. Aha! There's one. Hooray!
Today, Peppa and her family have come to the shopping centre.
Oh. Perhaps we'll get out here.
I'll park up and find you soon. If I can find a space.
They've come to the toy shop to find a gift for baby Alexander.
There's so many toys.
Now, what do we think baby Alexander will like?
Maybe this basketball. Or this blaster. Pop, pop. Or this karaoke machine.
These are very fun, but I'm not sure they're right for a baby.
Then we'll have to keep looking.
Daddy Pig has finally found a space in the car park.
Oh dear.
But the parking space is so small, he can't get out of the car.
I'll just have to go around again. Whee!
What have you found, George?
It's like the car park we were in.
Car park.
George loves the toy car park.
Up.
Baby Alexander does like cars, but I think he is too young for this toy.
Oh.
What about this ball, George?
No. Up.
Or maybe this cuddly teddy.
No. Whee!
George doesn't think any of these toys are right for baby Alexander.
What about this noisy rattle?
No! Vroom, vroom!
George only likes the toy car park.
Look at this, George.
No!
Ooh!
For you.
What a perfect gift for baby Alexander. We'll take it, please, Miss Rabbit. I wonder where Daddy Pig parked.
Whee! Hello, everyone.
Everyone loves going toy shopping. But Daddy and George really love the car park. Today, Peppa and George are at a fun fair.
Hi, Peppa. Have you been in the fun house yet?
What's a fun house?
It's a special fun fair house that has lots of silly rooms and funny hallways.
Can me and George go into the fun house? Please?
Please.
Hello, Miss Rabbit. 2 for the fun house.
To enter the fun house, Mummy Pig must buy tokens from Miss Rabbit. But the tokens cost more coins than Mummy Pig thought.
Oh.
Thank you, Mummy Pig. Right this way.
Hooray! Ooh!
This is the Rickety Rackety Bridge. Pass through to see the rest of the fun house.
Peppa is moving very slowly and carefully across the bridge. But George thinks it's fun to go very fast.
Your way is much better, George. Whee!
Congratulations. Now you need to follow the arrows.
This way, George. These mirrors are so wobbly.
The funhouse mirrors make Peppa and George look very silly indeed.
This mirror makes me look so tall. And you look like you have a very big head, George. That one makes you look really round.
Round.
And this mirror makes me look like Miss Rabbit.
That's because I am Miss Rabbit. Follow me to the twisty-turny tunnel.
The funhouse tunnel spins round and round,
Ooh!
and it's very windy.
Look! After the tunnel, we get to go down the slide.
Slide.
I'll help you, George.
I wonder what's taking so long. I hope they're not lost.
How was it?
The fun house was really fun.
How fitting.
Everyone loves the funhouse because the funhouse is very... Today, Peppa and her family are at the supermarket. They're going to pay for their shopping at the till.
Huh?
Sorry, got to nip to the loo. Use the self-checkout if you like.
The self-checkout lets you scan and pay for your shopping all by yourself.
It's a big shopping robot.
Would you 2 like to scan the shopping?
Yes, please.
Hello, customers.
Hello, shopping robot.
Please place bags in the bagging area.
Bag. Yes, George. Mummy's handbag is a bag.
This bag is the wrong bag.
The shopping robot needs shopping bags.
This bag is the right bag.
Yay!
Please scan shopping.
Beep.
Peppa and George like scanning the shopping.
Item not scanned. Try again.
Oh, beep.
Item still not scanned. Try again.
There is a rather long queue waiting to use the shopping robot.
Item not scanned.
It's not working.
Item not scanned. Item not scanned. Items scanned.
Yay!
Please put 10 cartons of juice in the bagging area.
10? We don't need that much juice. Cancel juice.
More juice added. Please put 60 cartons of juice in the bagging area.
Cancel!
Oh, this should do it.
Mummy Pig is very good with computers and shopping robots.
How do we beat this, Mummy?
The pineapple doesn't have a little sticker to scan.
We have to find it on the screen. Pine cones? No. Pine nuts? No. Pineapple. Here we go.
Yay!
Item is too light.
Oh, how about now?
Item too heavy. Error.
This one.
How about now? And now?
Stop! Press the button on the side. Everyone in the supermarket is trying to help.
Too many errors.
Oh no! The shopping robot is broken.
Sorry, everyone, I'm back. Who's next? Me.
Oh, terrific.
Everyone loves going shopping,
Please scan shopping.
but not everyone loves the shopping robot. Today, Peppa and her family have been at the supermarket. Outside the supermarket is a toy machine.
Yay!
Ooh!
Mandy Mouse has got a toy.
Look, Mummy! A yo-yo!
Well done, Mandy. Peppa, George, would you like a go on the toy machine?
Yes, please. How does it work, Miss Rabbit?
You just buy a token and put it in the slot. Then a ball rolls all the way down to the bottom of the machine and there's a special surprise toy inside.
Dinosaur!
George would like to get a dinosaur toy.
How fun! You can have one try each.
Here you go.
Yay! Yay!
George's token makes the machine light up and play music. A ball rolls all the way down to the bottom.
Whoa! Dinosaur! Oh...
George has got a toy screwdriver.
A screwdriver. How useful.
Dinosaur!
Don't worry, George. I'll try to get the dinosaur too.
Now Peppa's token makes the machine light up and a different ball rolls all the way down to the bottom.
Oh.
Peppa hasn't got the dinosaur, but she has got some very nice stickers.
Dinosaur!
What lovely toys you got. But look, our ice cream is starting to melt.
So close. I have a feeling the dinosaur will come out next time.
Please, can we have one more go, Mummy? Please?
Oh, go on then. One more try.
Hooray!
Peppa and George pull the lever on the toy machine. But this time, no balls pop out.
Oh dear. I wanted to see what toy you were going to get.
Not to worry, Mummy Pig. I can fix it. I just need to find my screwdriver. Nope.
Screwdriver!
Ah, thank you, George.
Yay!
Whoops.
Miss Rabbit has fixed the machine too much. Now all the balls have fallen out.
I'd better put these back, but I think you earned this for helping me fix the machine.
Dinosaur!
Thank you, Miss Rabbit. This is for you.
Everyone loves the toy machine, and George really loves dinosaurs. Today, Peppa and her playgroup are at a juice factory. They're learning how juice is made.
And this is the fruit squeezer. It squeezes all the juice out of the oranges.
Can I try squeezing oranges, Miss Rabbit?
Of course. You can all try.
Hooray!
Everyone is having lots of fun squeezing the oranges. But it is very hard work.
My hands are tired.
That's okay, because next up, we have the juice stomper.
The stomper has big boots to stomp out all the juice from the strawberries.
Ooh, can I try stomping, Miss Rabbit?
Yes, everyone can try.
Hooray!
Pop these boots on and stomp away.
It's just like jumping in muddy puddles.
Well done, everyone. Now follow me. This is where the juice is put into cartons. We have to match the flavour with the picture on the cartons. What flavour is this one?
Yoink! It's red. Is it strawberry?
Well done, Mandy. Press the red button to fill it up. And how about this one?
It's green. So... apple.
Spot on, Susie. And this one?
It's lots of colours.
Well done, Peppa. You've created a brand new type of juice.
It's rainbow juice.
Everyone thinks the rainbow juice looks very delicious indeed.
This is the tasting room. It's where we make sure all the juice tastes scrum-diddly-umptious.
Ooh!
But to make it fun, you have to guess what flavour each juice is.
Peppa and her playgroup love tasting juice.
Yum! This is orange juice.
This is apple juice.
This tastes like all the juices at once.
That's because it's your special rainbow juice.
Yum, yum, yum.
Peppa loves learning about juice, and Peppa really loves her delicious rainbow juice.